Welcome to our in-depth exploration of solo female van life, the ultimate guide. Today, we're diving into a world where adventure meets independence, tailored specifically for women who are either contemplating or already on their solo van life journey. We'll cover a myriad of topics, from preparing for life on the road to essential safety tips, forming communities, and everything in between. Whether you're a seasoned van lifer or just starting to flirt with the idea, this guide aims to empower and inspire. So let's gear up for an exciting and informative journey into the solo female van life. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so we can be sure to continue to bring you more content like this. Let's start with a discussion of embracing the van life culture. The van life culture is more than just traveling. It's a lifestyle choice that embraces simplicity, freedom, and a deep connection with nature. For solo female van lifers, this journey represents independence and the courage to defy traditional norms. Understanding the ethos of van life is crucial. It's about creating a balance between the freedom of the road and the responsibilities that come with living in a compact, mobile space. As you jump into your solo van life adventure, preparation is key to a successful solo van life adventure. This involves selecting the right van, understanding the essentials of van conversion, and equipping yourself with the necessary tools and gear. We'll guide you through choosing a van that meets your needs, considering factors like size, fuel efficiency, and reliability. The conversion process is where your van becomes a home. We'll explore DIY tips for customizing your space, from installing insulation and ventilation to setting up a functional kitchenette and cozy sleeping area. Equipping your van with solar panels, a reliable water system, and efficient storage solutions will also be covered in detail. Safety is also a paramount concern for solo female van lifers. We'll delve into practical strategies to stay safe on the road. As we delve into our specifics, we'll start with packing for solo van life. This skill is an art. It's about finding the perfect balance between what you need and what you can comfortably fit in your van. We'll cover the essentials every solo female van lifer should have, from practical tools and cooking equipment to personal items that make the van feel like home. Let's start with some practical tools that every solo female van lifer should have. These items will help you stay safe and prepared on the road. First, you'll need a multi-tool, a flashlight or headlamp, and a first aid kit. You should also carry a fire extinguisher, a toolkit, and some duct tape and zip ties. Bungee cords and carabiners are also handy for securing things in your van. And don't forget a portable jump starter and a tire repair kit, just in case. Next, let's talk about cooking equipment. You'll need a portable stove, a cooking pot and pan, and some utensils. You should also bring dish soap and a sponge, paper towels, and a reusable water bottle. If you drink coffee, you might also want to bring a coffee maker. Now let's move on to personal items. You'll need bedding, towels, and toiletries. Don't forget sunscreen and insect repellent, sunglasses and a hat, and rain gear. You should also pack comfortable clothing and shoes for hiking and everyday wear. And don't forget a journal and a pen, and maybe a book or two. One of the biggest challenges of van life is living in a small space. But with a little creativity and some clever space-saving tips, you can make the most of your limited square footage and create a comfortable and functional living space. Stackable containers are a great way to maximize vertical space and keep your belongings organized. You can use them to store everything from clothes and bedding to food and cooking supplies. Just be sure to label each container so you know what's inside. Tension rods and hooks are another great way to save space and keep your clothes organized. You can hang them from the ceiling, walls, or even the back of your seats. Just be sure to choose tension rods that are strong enough to hold the weight of your clothes. Shoe organizers are not just for shoes. They can also be used to store toiletries, cosmetics, and other small items. Hang them on the back of a door or in a cabinet to keep your belongings organized and easy to find. Multi-purpose furniture is a great way to save space and make the most of your van's layout. For example, you can use a convertible sofa bed that can be used for both seating and sleeping, or you can use a table that can be folded down to create more floor space. The space under your bed is a great place to store bulky items that you don't need to access on a regular basis. You can use underbed storage containers or even just cardboard boxes to store things like extra bedding, clothes, and seasonal items. Wall-mounted storage is a great way to keep your belongings organized and out of the way. You can use shelves, hooks, and magnetic strips to store everything from spices and utensils to tools and cleaning supplies. Clear containers are a great way to keep your belongings organized and easy to find. You can use them to store everything from food and snacks to toiletries and cleaning supplies. Just be sure to label each container so you know what's inside. If you need to store bulky items that you don't need to access on a regular basis, you can use a roof rack or cargo box. This is a great way to free up space inside your van and keep your belongings safe and secure. Now let's jump into staying healthy, fit and safe, and on the road. Maintaining your health and fitness is crucial, especially when you're on the road alone. We'll provide tips on staying physically active, from yoga routines you can do in your van to outdoor exercises that take advantage of nature's gym. Nutrition is also key, so we'll discuss how to prepare healthy meals in a small kitchen, store food properly, and maintain a balanced diet. Staying physically active. Some ideas are yoga routines, outdoor exercises, such as going for hikes in national parks, forests, or along scenic trails. Find running routes in your area using apps like Strava or Map My Run, or biking along bike paths or quiet country roads. To keep motivated, you can use fitness apps. Use fitness apps to track your workouts and stay motivated. Some fitness apps offer workouts that can be done in a small space, like your van. Try apps like Nike Training Club, Adidas Training by Runtastic, or Freeletics Bodyweight. Now on to safety. Safety is paramount. In this segment, we'll delve into practical strategies to stay safe on the road, covering topics like choosing safe parking spots, maintaining privacy, and dealing with emergencies. First, let's think about choosing safe parking spots. Always park in well-lit areas, preferably near other RVs or campers. Avoid parking in isolated areas or near busy roads. If possible, choose parking spots with security cameras or security guards. Consider using a campground or RV park, especially if you're staying in a new area. Next, be sure to think about maintaining privacy. Use curtains or blinds to cover your windows at night. Keep your doors and windows locked at all times, even when you're inside. Be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye out for suspicious activity. If you feel unsafe, don't hesitate to move to a different location. For dealing with emergencies, have a well-thought-out plan in case of an emergency. Share your itinerary with friends or family members and check in with them regularly. Keep a list of emergency contacts and contingency plans in your van. Carry personal safety gear, such as pepper spray, an alarm, and a door lock. Know how to use your personal safety gear effectively. Your aim is to always be assessing and minimizing risks. Be aware of the risks associated with traveling alone. Research the areas you're traveling to and be aware of any potential hazards. Trust your instincts. If something feels unsafe, it probably is. Also, don't forget vehicle maintenance. Ensure your van is mechanically sound before you hit the road. Perform regular checkups and maintenance on your van. Keep a basic toolkit and spare parts in your van. Know how to perform basic repairs on your van. Embarking on a solo female van life adventure is an empowering and enriching experience. It's a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and connection with the world around you. While it comes with its challenges, the rewards are immeasurable. You gain a sense of freedom, a deepened understanding of yourself, and a unique perspective on life. Remember, the key to a successful van life experience lies in thorough preparation, embracing the community, and staying true to your personal journey. So, gear up, embrace the adventure, and enjoy every mile of your solo female van life journey. If you're inspired to start or continue your solo van life journey, we encourage you to reach out to the van life community for support and advice. Share your experiences, ask questions, and never stop exploring. For more tips, tricks, and guides on van life, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our community of adventurers. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive guide to solo female van life. We hope this journey through our guide has been informative and inspiring. Stay tuned for more content that helps you navigate the exciting world of van life. And remember, the road is yours to explore. Safe travels and happy van lifing. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and let us know in the comments if there are more topics you'd like us to cover.